All right, guys, what's up? It's a cool one right here for me because we've been talking about this for a long time, at least a couple years, throwing her in the car and just getting it on video. So this is my girlfriend. We've been together for a long time now, and she's never really been in the car. She's only got to watch me race the car one time, and that was actually this year. She 100% supports everything that I do, but she's just not really into it. And like I tell her, I'm not gonna make you do it, just like I don't want to go to a hair convention or something with you. You know, I'm not going to find that fun. So I get it. I show her all the videos when I get done racing. I'll show her all the videos and clips of everything. But she just knows that I do YouTube. I do a lot of car stuff. I do tuning. She watches me do it all. She supports it 100%. And I just wanted to throw her in here and get it on video. So we were all hanging out at the house, my parents' house, eating crabs, and the weather started to cool down a good bit, and I was like, hey, it'd be a good time to go for a ride in the car. She's like, let's go. I'm like, all right, let me get my camera. Well, as she's getting in, she saw the camera there, and she's like, I don't want the camera. And she's a pretty shy person. She's not outgoing. She doesn't want any attention. She doesn't want the spotlight on her. She's just a chill, laid-back person, and not like all these other girls that are out there that crave the attention, that want to be on video. She's the total opposite, which is a great thing. So I couldn't pass up the opportunity. I threw her in there, and I knew there wasn't going to be much of a reaction, but it's still a good video. So check it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Oh my gosh, don't video record me.
I told you I was grabbing my GoPro.
I know that meant just to...
That's for me. It's good anyway.
I put my hair out like this.
Oh, it's so weird because it's opposite of what I'm used to. I'm not going to do the crotch strap. I ain't gonna make it tight. That's good, right?
Yeah.
Do you feel safe?
Am I doing racing? I feel like you're getting me ready for a roller coaster.
It might feel like one. I haven't even started it since we got back the other day from racing. Let's see. Are you gonna start?
Look, you look good.
I'm crispy.
I know. How many times have you rode in this? Like once? Maybe twice?
Twice, 3 times maybe.
And I didn't even really like do anything. We just drove it to go out to eat, and that was it. It wasn't running right. Plus, it was rubbing in the back. I remember that. Going to my uncle's funeral, and I was like, yeah, we gotta take my truck because at the time it was rubbing in the back, and I was cutting on my brand new tires. Have you ever even been in anything fast besides this? Like, what do you think the fastest thing you were ever in?
Probably a roller coaster.
Oh, yeah.
I guess that's it.
This ain't gonna feel like no roller coaster. Did it
See
feel like
what?
a roller coaster a little bit?
Maybe a little.
So you like that smell?
Yeah.
When it sits for a while, you know how bumpy it is?
Yeah.
Like that. It's because the tires get flat, and then you gotta drive a little bit to let them round out again. couple like modifications that need to be done inside the transmission that I can't do. You can be on my YouTube.
No.
Why not? It'll give me some views. All I gotta do is post a picture right there, and they see a girl, and they're gonna be like, "Oh my God, I want to watch it." A girl, oh my God.
The world's ending.
Yeah. I got something else that's pretty cool. I press a button, and it'll act like it's launching, but it's from a roll too. Like I'll show you right here. There's nobody coming. Well, I'll do it up there. I'll do it. Man, that car, I didn't know they were stopping. My brakes, they were like, how'd it feel?
I like it.
You feel fast?
Yeah.
It's really not even all the way turned up. It's kind of just mild for, if I had it all the way turned up, we'd be all over the place. So it's kind of just tamed right now, but you get a little bit of it.
Next, you'll have to drive it, right?
Yeah, you can drive it. If it wasn't about to get dark, I'd say drive it right now. And there's like a whole crash course I gotta show you how to shift. And it's not hard, you just gotta know how to work the shifter. I mean, for like a race car, it drives pretty good. I mean, it's obviously not a Cadillac, but I mean, you can drive it wherever you want.
Yeah.
I could drive it to work if I felt like it, but I don't want to piss the neighbors off. Do a little launch. Ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna pop real loud and then I'll go. So. If you saw behind us, it's just a big wall of smoke.
I keep trying to look in my mirror, but
I know, it fell off one day when I was driving. This is what I was talking about. It'll do that popping from like just a roll. I got it set up like that on that little switch. But once
It's super cool.
The coolest ever.
What's your impressions?
I want to go when you're actually racing it.
Okay.
I want the airbag
You
to
can
fly.
be right here.
Yeah.
The airbag, there ain't no airbags
I mean,
in here.
the
parachute?
parachute.
Yeah, you have to feel that. That's a crazy feeling. You just flip this up. So what do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
It's fun.
Was it fun for you?
I can
Did
see
it feel like
why.
a roller coaster a little bit?
Maybe a little. I can see why you like it.
Yeah, it's
How
like
you do it.
it's like a drug.
Yeah.
I just want to keep
adrenaline.
on messing around. It is an adrenaline rush, especially when you're here. When you're over there, I'm more scared when somebody's going fast, but it's pretty quick, and it's not even, just think, that's like half the power, so when it's like full power, it's way more crazier than that.
Yeah, I want to go.
Even though this compared to other cars, it ain't fast, but it's fast for what it is. For somebody like you, it probably feels crazy, even right there. Feels like you're floating. Just like a boat. Just floating, the tires are all going sideways.
Yeah, I like it. I think you're gonna have to let me do it.
You can do it next time. Next weekend you can do it.
It's hot in here.
And now you can say this is the fastest car you've been.
How do you know?
Well, as if you ever leave me, you ain't finding nobody else with a faster car. And that's a fact. All right, guys.